Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me because I'm going to brunch today with my cousin, so I'm really excited for that. And yeah, I've really been struggling to find the time to film for the past few weeks. I know I didn't post last week, so sorry about that. So I thought I'd do a get ready with me video, and yeah, I'm going to show you my skincare, makeup, hair and outfit. So let's get going because I literally don't have much time. Okay, so honestly I don't really use much on my skin, but I will show you what I do use every day. I put on some of this Niacinamide from The Ordinary. I've been using this for about 2 or 3 months now, and I've really found that it's helped like my face not go so oily, and it makes my face a lot brighter. So I do this literally every day, even before I put my makeup on, because it's not very thick. I feel like it doesn't really affect my makeup and how that goes on. It makes my face nice and smooth as well. Then literally the only other 2 things I use are moisturizer and my sun cream. This is a, I can't even remember what they call it. It's like a,
Two hours later.
This is a chemical sunscreen. I've literally only recently learnt about skincare, so if I say anything wrong, then don't judge. But yeah, basically this one is really good, and it's good for like acne prone skin as well. The 2 active ingredients are titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. But yeah, basically I heard that this is really good, and I've started watching Hiram. He does like this skincare channel. He's really good, so he's sort of got me into like sunscreen and trying out like new products and stuff. And because the sunscreen is really thick, I actually mix it with my moisturizer. And yeah, this is literally just a Nivea Day moisturizer for normal skin. But yeah, I put both of them onto my hand, and then I mix them in like lots together, because I feel like when I put the sunscreen on just by itself, it's so thick and it's hard to actually like blend in, and it literally just makes my face have like just white streaks all over it. Okay, so my skin is prepped. Let's do makeup as fast as I can. Okay, my brunch is at 4 and it's currently only 1:30, but it's going to take me about an hour to get there as well. So I'm going for a really simple eye look today, mainly just going to be focusing on the base. If you normally watch my channel, you know I normally start with eyes first and then I do my base after, but I'm gonna start with the base just because I'm gonna put like maybe 1 shade of eyeshadow on with a bit of eyeliner and some lashes. So base first. Why am I not even looking in my mirror? Okay, anyway, I've got my mirror now. So what I've been doing recently, and what I'm going to do today, is I've been starting with concealer and then not using that much foundation. So normally I would put my foundation on my entire face first and then go in with like liquid, like a cream contour, concealer. But I feel like I've been enjoying this not as heavy makeup look. My concealer is running out, which is annoying. I literally normally always buy the L'Oreal True Match concealer just because I get scared of using new base products. So if you've got any recommendations of a good concealer, please let me know, because I want to try a new one, but I want like someone to tell me it's good first. Okay, I'm going in with my contour stick now. And the reason that I have put my concealer on first is because basically I like to leave my concealer on a little bit more, just because I find the L'Oreal one, it's not that thick. So if I blend it in straight away, I don't know, it's not as full coverage. And yeah, so that's why I do my contour blending first and just let that concealer sort of sit in. I'm just blending that in with a sponge at the moment, and it does look very harsh, but don't worry, like I'm gonna go in with not concealer, I've literally just put concealer on. I'm gonna put foundation on afterwards, and I'm gonna blend everything together This is just to really bring out the highlights and the contour. And I do like to do a little bit under the contour just to make it nice and sharp. Okay, now for the actual foundation, I literally just put it like straight onto my skin, just a tiny bit, and then I've got this blending brush, and I'm just putting that foundation literally just under where the contour line is and blending that all in together. Just make sure that my cheek, like this bit of my face still has colour on it and makeup on it. Then it literally avoids me putting foundation on my entire face and then going over it with more like concealer and contour. And it just feels so much lighter. And I feel like my makeup doesn't crease as much. Okay, time to set everything with some powder. Now, one thing that I feel like I've changed a lot of my makeup or learnt some new things. So what I used to do is, you can see where I've used the Beauty Blender on my concealer under my eyes to dab that in. And then what I used to do is take the same part of the Beauty Blender and dip that into the powder and then put it on. Now I'm using a clean part to put that on. I don't actually wash my Beauty Blender every single time, but I try now to keep one side of it for dry, so like the powder, and then one side for like the cream stuff. And I feel like this has made my powder go on a lot smoother and it's not as like cakey. So yeah, I don't know why I didn't do this before, but I feel like I used to, but then I just got really lazy. But I would definitely recommend because it goes on a lot smoother. So I always start with putting the powder under my eyes, and I always put quite a lot on. But with the excess of that, what I've been doing recently is just patting that over my entire face, especially when you're wearing masks and you have to like travel quite far. Patting a layer of powder into my skin everywhere really helps, rather than what I would normally do, which is get like a big fluffy brush and just sweep it over my face. Anything that I find is it does sort of cover up a lot of the cream contour a bit more than if I would have left it a bit more natural. So I'm going to go in with a little bit more like bronzer and stuff today, just to give my face a little bit of colour. I'm going in with a Fenty bronzer first, just to warm up my face and my forehead and everything. And then I'm taking a smaller fluffy brush, and just with this sleek contour palette, it's a bit of a darker, cooler tone shade, and I'm just deepening that contour line. Okay, and let's go in with some blush now. Has anyone been to a brunch recently, or like dinner or anything, since things have opened up in the UK? I feel like this weekend I went to a brunch in Clapham. It was actually really good in the end. And yeah, it was just really weird, like having everyone just so happy, and like it was just normal inside, because obviously you can sit at a table without masks on. Like there was music, like I don't know, it was just weird. But it was really good. So I feel like people are a lot happier now. But yeah, let me know what you guys have been up to, or if you've got any recommendations of places to go. Okay, I feel like I'm running out of time already. We might have to do a different hairstyle. Okay, for my eyes, I'm literally, this is I think this is like a contour and blush palette, but I like to just use it for my eyes sometimes because it's got some really nice like natural warm colours. And I'm literally just taking this brush, which I use every single time I do my eyeshadow. You need to get this, it's the Morphe M330, and I'm literally just going to do a warm eyeshadow and put a bit of eyeliner on. Okay, so I just put my lashes and I did my brows off camera, literally just because I'm running out of time and I needed to get really close to the mirror to see what I was doing. Let me just put some brow mascara on just to finish those off. I realised that I never really show me doing my brows when I do all my videos, so if that's something that you want to see, like my actual brow routine, then let me know. Okay, lips. We're just going to go with a gloss, the Fenty Gloss Bomb, which shade? I don't know what shade it is. Cool, okay, so I've got half an hour to be out the door. So, I was going to curl my hair, but I feel like maybe not, because there's not much time. Yeah, I'm just going to straighten my hair because it's kind of straight anyway, so I'm going to try and get my hair done in 10 minutes. Okay. My hair is super greasy anyway, and it's pretty much straight from when I did it like 3 or 4 days ago. So I'm literally just going to go over everything. I literally haven't straightened my hair in ages. And I feel like, can you see? Like it's got really long. And I only had it cut about a month ago. So I feel like, because I've been wearing like ponytails and then like wigs and stuff, I feel like it's really helped my hair grow more naturally. I also really want to try out the new Lulabelle's wigs that they've got. So I feel like they look quite good, but I need to get paid first because they're still a bit costly, but they look good quality anyway, so but that's definitely something that I want to try out. I really do hope that it doesn't rain. It's literally nearly June and I swear like it hasn't been sunny in weeks. Like it's literally just raining constantly. I feel like we're all ready for a bit of sun, especially because summer's coming up. And my birthday is in June as well, so I really hope it's sunny for that because I'm meant to be going to Edinburgh. Right, I'm gonna speed up the rest of me doing my hair and then I will be back to show you my outfit. This is my makeup and hair done, just so you can see the finished look. A nice simple makeup and just straight, partially greasy hair, but okay, this is my outfit. So I'm literally just wearing this cute little jumper dress because it's actually freezing outside. And then I've got my thigh-high boots, which are like flat ones, because I gotta walk. Little belt and my bag, and then yeah, I got this jacket. So that is the look. I'm gonna rush to the train station now, but thank you guys for watching, and yeah, I will see you again very soon for another video. Bye.